BMW i8 is undoubtedly a supercar, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the oil. Oh, you thought the engine was up here? This fancy daily driver has an engine that's actually in the back. In order to get to it, we're going to have to remove all these panels. Funny enough, this leather cover here was a $1,000 option. No, I didn't pay for it. For noise insulation, now we have to unspin all of these bolts by hand. We reveal the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder that powers this bad boy. For those of you who don't know, this engine actually came from a Mini Cooper. From the top, really all we need to do is open up this oil cap. That way air can get in and all the oil from the engine can fall down. The very bottom of the BMW i8, they have cut out a hole here so that way you can remove the oil filter and then the oil drain. However, I was doing some work on it already, so this whole thing is off. Our friends at Motul hooked us up with oil for all of our exotic cars. So huge shout out to them. Oil in these cars is so important because it's a hybrid. A lot of times you're driving around and it's only using the electric motor. So as soon as that gas motor kicks on, sometimes it doesn't have enough time to warm up. So if you have crappy oil, you're gonna have some problems. So go get yourself some Motul. This is the good stuff, baby. Just like every other vehicle, we got a single drain plug on the bottom. Not fancy at all. This tiny little engine only holds 4 liters of oil. Boop. You know you're ready to put the oil drain plug back on when it's just slowly dripping like that. When you buy a new oil filter, it typically comes with a new soft copper washer for your drain plug. Make sure you put that on there. Slap her back on. BMW is moving towards these thin little cartridge oil filters as opposed to the fully enclosed ones they see on domestic cars. You need a big old socket to pop this bad boy off. Now for the satisfying part. Look. Lovely. These bad boys should only be hand tight. Final step is to fill her up. Thanks again, Motul, for the hookup. She takes 4.5 liters of oil. BMW is too fancy for a dipstick, so in order to check your oil level, you gotta actually come in here and check your engine oil level. Okay. Thermal insulating foam, $1,000 leather cover, and our little sunshade. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, hit that follow button, and don't forget, tell your mother that I love her.